Ginkgo Bioworks is a pioneering company. Founded with the vision to harness the power of biology, Ginkgo Bioworks has been at the forefront of innovation in synthetic biology. Their mission is to make biology easier to engineer, and they are achieving this by combining biology with technology in ways that were once thought impossible. They are at the forefront of synthetic biology. This field is revolutionizing how we think about and interact with the natural world. By applying engineering principles to biology, Ginkgo Bioworks is creating new biological systems that can perform specific tasks, much like how software engineers write code to create applications. This field uses engineering principles to design and build new biological systems. Imagine being able to program cells to produce biofuels, clean up environmental pollutants, or even manufacture complex pharmaceuticals. The possibilities are endless, and Ginkgo Bioworks is leading the charge in making these possibilities a reality. Ginkgo acts as a platform, enabling other companies to innovate. They provide the infrastructure and expertise needed for other organizations to leverage synthetic biology in their own projects. This collaborative approach accelerates innovation and allows for the rapid development of new technologies. They provide the tools and expertise to make biology easier to engineer. From custom DNA synthesis to high-throughput screening, Ginkgo Bioworks offers a suite of services that make it easier for scientists and engineers to design, test, and optimize new biological systems. Imagine a future where we grow materials instead of mining them. This is not science fiction. It is the vision that Ginkgo Bioworks is working towards. By engineering microorganisms to produce valuable materials, we can reduce our reliance on non-renewable resources and create a more sustainable world, or where we program cells to produce life-saving medicines. The potential applications of synthetic biology in healthcare are immense. From producing complex biologics to developing new gene therapies, Ginkgo Bioworks is at the cutting edge of medical innovation. This is the future Ginkgo Bioworks is striving to create. A future where biology is not just something we study, but something we can engineer and manipulate to solve some of the world's most pressing problems. Their work has the potential to revolutionize various industries. In agriculture, for example, Ginkgo Bioworks is developing crops that are more resistant to pests and diseases, reducing the need for chemical pesticides and increasing food security. From agriculture and food production to medicine and material science, the possibilities are vast. Synthetic biology can be applied to create more nutritious food, develop new materials with unique properties, and even address environmental challenges like climate change. Ginkgo Bioworks represents a new era of biological innovation. This era is characterized by the seamless integration of biology and technology, enabling us to harness the power of nature in ways that were previously unimaginable. It is an era where the line between biology and technology blurs. The tools and techniques developed by Ginkgo Bioworks are enabling scientists to manipulate biological systems with the same precision and control that we have come to expect from traditional engineering disciplines. Their work holds immense promise for solving some of the world's most pressing challenges. Whether it is developing sustainable sources of energy, creating new medical treatments, or addressing environmental issues, the innovations coming out of Ginkgo Bioworks have the potential to make a significant impact. They are paving the way for a more sustainable and healthier future. By leveraging the power of synthetic biology, Ginkgo Bioworks is not only pushing the boundaries of what is possible, but also creating solutions that are more environmentally friendly and beneficial to society as a whole. Ginkgo Bioworks was founded by a group of MIT scientists and engineers. This remarkable team came together with a shared passion for innovation and a desire to push the boundaries of what is possible in the field of biotechnology. This visionary team includes Tom Knight, Jason Kelly, Reshma Shetty, Barry Canton, and Austin Chi. Each of these individuals brought a unique set of skills and experiences to the table, creating a dynamic and multifaceted leadership team. They shared a bold vision to make biology easier to engineer. This vision was not just a lofty goal, but a driving force that influenced every decision they made and every project they undertook. Each founder brought unique expertise and passion to the table. Tom Knight, often referred to as the godfather of synthetic biology, had a profound impact on the field long before Ginkgo Bioworks was even conceived.
Tom Knight, a pioneer in synthetic biology, laid the groundwork for our technological approach. His work in developing foundational technologies and methodologies has been instrumental in shaping the company's direction and success.
Jason Kelly, a charismatic leader, championed their vision and propelled the company forward. His ability to inspire and motivate the team has been a key factor in Ginkgo's rapid growth and continued success.
I brought my expertise in biological engineering and business acumen to the team. My role involved not only understanding the science, but also navigating the complex business landscape to ensure our innovations could reach the market and make a real impact.
Barry Canton contributed his deep understanding of computer science and software engineering. His skills were crucial in developing the computational tools and platforms that underpin much of Ginkgo's work.
And Austin Chi, with his expertise in synthetic biology and metabolic engineering, completed our powerhouse team. His work in optimizing biological systems has been vital to our ability to engineer organisms with unprecedented precision and efficiency.
Their combined knowledge and unwavering belief in their mission created a strong foundation for Ginkgo's success. This foundation was built on a culture of relentless curiosity, rigorous scientific inquiry, and a commitment to pushing the boundaries of what is possible, laid the foundation for Ginkgo's success. The collaborative environment they fostered allowed for the free exchange of ideas and the rapid iteration of new concepts, which has been a hallmark of Ginkgo's approach to innovation. They fostered a culture of collaboration and innovation. This culture attracted top talent from around the world, individuals who were drawn to Ginkgo's mission and excited by the opportunity to work on cutting-edge projects. This attracted top talent and propelled the company's growth. As the team grew, so did the scope and scale of their projects, leading to breakthroughs that have had a significant impact on the field of biotechnology. The founders' influence continues to shape Ginkgo Bioworks today. Their vision and values are deeply embedded in the company's DNA, guiding its strategic decisions and long-term goals. Their vision guides the company's strategic decisions and long-term goals. The legacy of the founders is evident in every aspect of Ginkgo's operations, from its innovative research and development efforts to its commitment to sustainability and ethical practices. Over the years, Ginkgo Bioworks has achieved numerous milestones thanks to the strong foundation laid by its founders. Their pioneering spirit and dedication to excellence have inspired countless others in the field. The company's success is a testament to the power of visionary leadership and the impact that a dedicated team can have when they are united by a common goal. Ginkgo Bioworks continues to push the boundaries of what is possible, driven by the same passion and determination that brought its founders together. As Ginkgo Bioworks looks to the future, it remains committed to its mission of making biology easier to engineer. The company's ongoing success is a reflection of the enduring legacy of its founders and their lasting impact on the field of biotechnology. The story of Ginkgo Bioworks is a powerful reminder of what can be achieved when visionary leaders come together with a shared purpose. The founders' lasting impact will continue to shape the company and inspire future generations of scientists and engineers. Ginkgo Bioworks stands as a beacon of innovation, a testament to the power of collaboration, and a shining example of what can be achieved when we dare to dream big and work tirelessly to turn those dreams into reality. Ginkgo Bioworks' ambitious goals require significant financial backing. The journey of transforming the biotech landscape is not a small feat, and it demands substantial resources and unwavering support from visionary investors. The company has attracted a diverse group of investors. These investors come from various backgrounds, each bringing unique perspectives and expertise to the table, which is crucial for fostering innovation and growth. These include venture capital firms, sovereign wealth funds, and other financial institutions that see the immense potential in biotechnology. Their investments are not just about financial returns, but also about being part of a revolutionary change in the industry. Among these investors is Bill Gates's Breakthrough Energy Ventures. This involvement signifies a strong vote of confidence in Ginkgo's vision and capabilities. Breakthrough Energy Ventures is known for backing groundbreaking technologies that promise to address some of the world's most pressing challenges. These investors recognize the transformative potential of Ginkgo's platform. They understand that Ginkgo's innovative approach to biotechnology can lead to significant advancements in various sectors, from healthcare to environmental sustainability.
Our financial support has been instrumental in building Ginkgo's state-of-the-art facilities. These facilities are equipped with cutting-edge technology and infrastructure, enabling Ginkgo to conduct advanced research and development.
It has also allowed them to attract top talent in the field. The ability to recruit and retain leading scientists and researchers is a critical factor in driving innovation and achieving breakthroughs. Beyond financial support, these partnerships provide Ginkgo with strategic guidance. The investors bring their vast experience and knowledge, helping Ginkgo navigate the complexities of the biotech industry and make informed decisions.
We provide access to valuable networks and resources, which is crucial for navigating the complex landscape of biotechnology. These networks open doors to new opportunities, collaborations, and markets, further enhancing Ginkgo's growth prospects.
This collaborative ecosystem is crucial for navigating the complex landscape of biotechnology. The synergy between Ginkgo and its investors creates a robust support system that drives continuous innovation and progress. These collaborations accelerate the development and commercialization of Ginkgo's innovative products and services. By working together, they can bring groundbreaking solutions to market faster, addressing critical needs and creating a positive impact on society. The success of Ginkgo Bioworks is a testament to the power of strategic investments and collaborative efforts. As the company continues to grow and achieve new milestones, the support from its investors remains a cornerstone of its journey. Looking ahead, Ginkgo Bioworks and its investors are committed to pushing the boundaries of what's possible in biotechnology. Together, they are not just fueling a dream, but also shaping the future of the industry. With their combined efforts, Ginkgo Bioworks is poised to make significant contributions to global challenges, from healthcare advancements to environmental sustainability. The journey is just beginning, and the potential is limitless. The partnership between Ginkgo Bioworks and its investors is a powerful force driving change and innovation. Together, they are not only realizing a vision, but also paving the way for a brighter, more sustainable future.